Push-ups are one of the most well-known bodyweight exercises. But how effective are they really? Do they actually build muscle? Can you replace weight training with push-ups? And are they enough for a complete workout? In this video, we'll break down how push-ups work, their real effectiveness, common myths, and whether or not you should rely on them for your fitness goals. By the end, you'll have a clear answer on whether push-ups deserve a permanent spot in your workout routine. How do push-ups work? Push-ups are a compound movement, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once. Here's what's happening every time you lower and push yourself back up. White heavy checkmark chest, pectoral muscles, the main driver of the push-up, responsible for the pushing motion. White heavy checkmark shoulders, deltoids, stabilize and help lift your body. White heavy checkmark triceps, these muscles at the back of your arms extend your elbows during the push. White heavy checkmark core, abs, obliques, lower back, engages to maintain stability and prevent your hips from sagging. White heavy checkmark legs, quads and glutes, help keep your body in a straight line for proper form. This means push-ups are not just an arm workout, they activate your entire body, making them one of the most functional exercises out there. How effective are push-ups for strength and muscle growth? 1. Can push-ups build muscle? Yes, push-ups can build muscle, but with limitations. Here's why. Progressive overload, constantly increasing resistance, is essential for muscle growth. In the gym, you add weight to your bench press or dumbbells. With push-ups, you need to add variations, reps, or resistance to keep progressing. If you only do standard push-ups without increasing difficulty, your body adapts and stops building muscle after a while. White heavy checkmark solution, increase the challenge. Try weighted push-ups, slow reps, or advanced variations like one-arm push-ups. 2. Are push-ups better than weight training? Push-ups are great, but they can't fully replace weight training if your goal is maximum strength and size. Small blue diamond weight training advantages. Provides higher resistance for muscle growth. Allows targeted muscle isolation, e.g., bench press focuses purely on the chest. Can be adjusted for progressive overload more easily. Small blue diamond push-up advantages. No equipment needed, train anywhere. Works multiple muscles at once for functional strength. Lower risk of injury compared to heavy weights. Backhand index pointing right verdict, if your goal is general fitness and endurance, push-ups are great. If you want maximum muscle growth, combine them with weight training. 3. Do push-ups burn fat? Push-ups alone won't burn a ton of fat. However, they can help with fat loss when combined with a calorie deficit. Push-ups increase heart rate, which burns calories. They help build muscle, which increases your metabolism. More muscles burn more calories at rest. However, for serious fat loss, diet and cardio play a bigger role. Backhand index pointing right best approach, use push-ups as part of a full-body routine that includes cardio and a healthy diet. 4. Can push-ups replace the gym? This depends on your fitness goals. Flexed biceps, yes, if. Heavy checkmark, you want general fitness, strength, and endurance. Heavy checkmark, you prefer bodyweight training over weights. Heavy checkmark, you enjoy convenience in home workouts. Prohibited, no, if. Crossmark, you want maximum muscle growth and strength. Crossmark, you're training for powerlifting, bodybuilding, or serious athletics. Crossmark, you need a structured, progressive program with heavy resistance. Backhand index pointing right ideal balance, mix push-ups with weight training for the best results. Common myths about push-ups. Prohibited, push-ups don't build muscle, they do, but only if you increase difficulty over time. Prohibited, push-ups are only for beginners, even elite athletes use push-ups for endurance and core strength. Prohibited, you need to do hundreds for results, quality matters more than quantity. Slow, controlled reps with variations are better than mindless reps. Prohibited, push-ups are bad for your joints, only if you have bad form or pre-existing injuries. Proper form prevents joint strain. How to make push-ups more effective? If you want maximum results from push-ups, here are a few game-changing tips. Heavy checkmark, use proper form, keep your body straight, don't flare your elbows, and engage your core. Heavy checkmark, try variations, diamond, archer, decline, explosive push-ups add challenge. Heavy checkmark, slow down reps, time under tension increases muscle activation. Heavy checkmark, increase volume gradually, add more reps and sets over time. Heavy checkmark combine with other exercises, mix push-ups with squats, pull-ups, and planks for a full body routine. Best push-up variations for maximum gains. Fire diamond push UPS, focus on triceps and inner chest. Fire decline push UPS, targets upper chest and shoulders. Fire archer push UPS, builds unilateral strength. Fire plyometric push UPS, boosts explosive power. Fire one arm push UPS, ultimate test of strength and stability. Try these variations to keep challenging your muscles and avoid plateaus. Final verdict, are push UPS effective? White heavy checkmark yes, push-ups are highly effective for building strength, endurance, and muscle definition. White heavy checkmark they are a convenient, full-body exercise that requires no equipment. White heavy checkmark however, for maximum muscle growth, they should be combined with progressive overload in weight training. Backhand index pointing right. If you want a strong, athletic body, push-ups should definitely be a part of your workout routine, but they shouldn't be the only exercise you rely on. Should you start doing push UPS daily? If you're a beginner, start small, aim for 20 to 30 per day and gradually increase. If you're advanced, challenge yourself with variations and additional resistance. Speech balloon, let me know in the comments. How many push-ups can you do in one go? Let's start a push-up challenge together. Rocket flexed biceps. Fire like, share, and subscribe for more fitness insights. See you in the next video.